Jai Hind student, in this video we are going to discuss the calculations of simple arithmetic mean. We know that there are three types of statistical series: indivisible series, discrete series, and frequency distribution series. And simple arithmetic mean can be calculated by the following method: means direct method, shortcut method, that is called assume mean method. Today we are going to discuss the calculation of simple arithmetic mean in case of indivisible series. We know that there are two methods by which in case of indivisible series can be calculated, that is direct method and shortcut method, and shortcut method is also called assume mean method. In the direct method, the following steps are involved in this method. First, add up value of all the item of a series, that is summation x, and find out total number of item in a series, that is n, and divide the total value of all the items with the numbers of item n. Thus, arithmetic mean, that is denoted by s bar, is equal to summation x upon n. So simply we can say that the formula for direct method in the calculation of arithmetic means x bar is equal to summation x upon n. Now we take the example. Pocket allowance of 10 student is rupees 15, 20, 30, 22, 25, 18, 40, 50, 55, 65. Then find out the average pocket allowance. First we add all the allowances, that is 15, 20, 30, 22, 25, 18, 40, 50, 55, 65 is equal to 340, that is summation s is equal to 340. Now we put the formula. Now we put the value in the formula, that is x bar is equal to summation x upon n. The total summation x is equal to 340 and number of item is 10. So 340 divided by 10 is 34. The average pocket allowance of the 10 student is rupees 34. Now in case of shortcut method, this method is used when the size of item is very large. The use of shortcut method involve following step there. First, before finding the actual average, some value in the series are taken as a assumed average. Assumed average should preferably be the middle item of the series, and it facilitates the calculation of deviation from the assumed average. In a statistic, the assumed average is often denoted as a, and deviation of different value from the assumed average are found, and each deviation is written against the concurrent value in the series. So d is equal to x minus a. Here is the workers A, B, C, and wages are 1010, 1020 and 1030. Then we assume that 1010 is the assumed value, and we found the deviation. The deviation formula is x minus a. The 1010 minus 1010 is equal to 0, and 1020 minus 1010 is equal to 10. 1030 minus 110 is equal to 20. So here we find the deviation. We already know the formula x minus a. The summation of deviation is 30. Our number of workers is a, b, c is n is equal to 3. Now we put the value in the formula. For the shortcut method, formula is x bar is equal to a plus summation d upon n. Here 1010 is assumed value, and 30 is summation d, and 3 is number of item. After dividing the 30 upon 3 is equal to 10, we add 100,010 into plus 10 is 1020. So average wage earned by the workers is 1020. Thank you.